Hello there, you're watching Bizworld. I'm Anita. In line with the government's digital transformation agenda, the cashless penetration rate amongst the public sector has reached 81.3% via the Cashless 3.0 campaign. According to the Finance Ministry's Deputy Secretary General of Treasury for Management, Rashida Mohammed says this is a 22% increase at the federal and state level from the 59% recorded in 2021.
Penggunaan pembayaran tanpa tunai atas perkhidmatan yang diterima di sektor awam pula dapat mengelakkan berlakunya kehilangan wang selain memastikan kutipan wang yang diterima di kaunter dapat terus diakaunkan dalam akaun utama kementerian atau jabatan.
Currently, Selangor and Pulau Pinang are the top two states with the highest cashless transactions, recording a penetration rate of over 80% in digital payments, while 8 ministries and public agencies, which prior to this were purely cash-based, have managed to become fully digitalized. These include PTPTN, 155 local authorities, the Investment, Trade and Industry Ministry, the Immigration Department, the Federal Court, MARA, Pakiso and EPF. Three government-linked investment companies, or GLICs, have joined forces and signed a sale-leaseback transaction agreement valued at 2 billion ringgit with Osram Opto Semiconductors. In a joint statement, Pemodalan Nasional Berhad, or PNB, the Employees Provident Fund, EPF, and Kumpulan Wang Persaraan Diperbadankan, KWAP, said the transaction is expected to conclude in December. The three GLICs will each own 33.3% stake in the transaction agreement. The deal offers a unique opportunity for PNB, EPF and KWAP to invest in a high-quality and high-specification industrial asset in Malaysia, which provides competitive returns. The investment is for a 10-year period with a clear exit strategy. The injection of capital will enable AMS Osram to establish the world's first fully automated 8-inch LED and micro-LED manufacturing facility. The East Coast Economic Region, or ECER, has attracted 10 billion ringgit in committed investments as of September. To date, 2.6 billion ringgit has been realized, with investments across various sectors, including manufacturing, tourism, services, agriculture, as well as oil and gas. In a statement, the ECER Development Council said it has a local advantage and strong relationship with the state governments and local industry players to attract investments and provide end-to-end facilitation to investors. Previously, it was reported that investments in ECER have the potential to create more than 4,500 new jobs and more than 600 additional business opportunities, promising a brighter economic outlook for the region. Investors in the Malaysian ringgit are hoping for the nation's central bank to step in to support the currency as it lingers near the weakest level since 1998. This puts Bank Negara's policy decision on Thursday into focus, especially after authorities in Indonesia and the Philippines recently raised interest rates to back their currencies. According to Mizuho Bank, there may be some jawboning to suggest that Bank Negara is watchful of the ringgit veering too far from fundamentals and in a speculative manner. They added the central bank may also impose some temporary limits on forex positioning and inducements for parking deposits and inward investments. The United Overseas Bank, meanwhile, said that another 25 basis point rate hike won't be sufficient to close the interest rate gap with the US and spur confidence in the ringgit, with the current policy differential at 250 basis points. Foreign investors were net sellers of domestic equities for the second consecutive week, with a total net selling of 396.9 million ringgit last week. According to MIDF research, the top three sectors with the highest net foreign inflows were utilities, technology and property, while the other top three sectors with the highest net foreign outflows were financial services, consumer products and construction. Local institutions, meanwhile, have maintained their trend of purchasing domestic equities for the fourth consecutive week, with a net buying amount of 493.1 million ringgit, as year-to-date local institutions bought 4.88 billion ringgit of equities. That's all the time we have on Bizworld today. I'm Anita. Thank you for investing your time with us and stay tuned.